if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Hey everybody, my name's Lucia. I'm gonna do another unboxing today. New here, welcome, hi. I'm Lucia. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, hit the notification bell. And everybody who's following me, thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate it. I'm gonna do another unboxing with you today. I'm really excited about this delivery because I've always wanted these shoes and honestly never got around to buying them, and so I'm really happy that they finally came in and they had my size. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these with you guys. I have the box slanted because my address on top is on top, but bear with me. Let's see if I can open this bad boy. Oh my gosh. Okay. She's so loud. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Wow, that looks really nice. My last box didn't have this on it. Let's see here. Ooh. This is what it looks like this far. What is this? This is heavy. This is very nice. Let's see what's in here first. Open this. Oh, I see. Oh, it has a little flap. It says Louis Vuitton in the front. And I think this might be the book. It's like a little magazine. It has a little kid with like these cute little suits. What is this? Like luggages? Suitcases? This is cute. The spirit of travel. Oh my gosh, that is neat. Oh, that's cute. I like this little magazine. Very fancy. So cute. What is that? Made out of sticks. That is so neat. Just gonna, I think it's just their stuff, their new stuff coming up, and some things that they already have. This is very nice. So cute. I hope you guys were able to see that. It's called the book. The back looks like that. This is such a cute envelope. I really like this. I'm gonna put this in here. That was a nice surprise. That was a very nice surprise. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside, probably because I've ordered a couple things from them, but let's see what else is in here. Okay, I think this is the receipt. Let's look inside there. Yeah, this. Thank you for shopping. And then they have this little letter. That aside. Now for the fun part. Oh, what is going on here? I don't really know what's going on here. But normally this is over the box. Like so. Let me do it really fast for you guys. And no, I swear I haven't unboxed it with you guys. I literally just unboxed it just now. I'm just surprised that this wasn't already on. Oh, that's okay. Well, if you guys don't know, normally it makes like a little crossbow here, and then you can like take it apart or move it to the side. And maybe they were just double checking that the right size was in there. But this is what it looks like. I'm so used to getting purses, and so like I was ready to like flip it open, but it doesn't. It has this little tab and you just pull it out. And it looks like so far each one of them have their own casing. And let's see what's in here. Oh, I'm not sure what this is. Shove that back in here. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, laces. That's nice. They're black laces. Yeah, they look black. Yeah, they're black. These are black extra laces, so I'm gonna shove those back in there. And yeah, I'll put those aside. anything else in here? I don't believe so. Oh, I should leave that on the outside. I think that was inside the box. Okay, so let's get straight into this. Wow, look at these. These are so pretty. Oh, so nice. Look at that. So in the back it has like 2 threads, and then it has this black. And this is what they look like. This is what the bottom looks like. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I love the gold little detail on the side. I don't know if you can see. There you go. So that's in gold. These are so neat. I like that the threading is kind of hidden in there. Can't really see, but the threading's like in here and you can't really tell. So that's really cool. And then they have like black, like plain laces on top. And the tongue looks like it's the same print as this. It's on the tongue. And then it has this material for the little loop that it goes through right here. It's kind of shiny. These are really cute. These are different. I wasn't expecting the back to look like that. On the website, it didn't have this black part, so I'm actually quite surprised. These are so nice. Let's see here. What size are these? Let me double check that it's probably in where the receipts are. I like that they come with their own like dust bag individually. Like you don't have to put them together. So that's really neat. That's nice. And let's see here. I'm gonna try this on big. I think go a size down because like when I pretend to walk, it kind of comes off the back. This is what they look like when you're walking around in these. So then you guys can kind of see like what they look like as like you're walking and stuff. But so far they don't seem true to size. They're probably an inch bigger than I expected. So probably have to reorder these in a 36, but so far these are really nice. I like how casual they look. And these are like, they're so like, I guess like plain that they can kind of get dressed up, dressed down. And I do have a bag. Let's see, where's my bag? So I already have a bag like in the monogram print, and so it's nice to have like shoes to kind of pair them with, although these are a bit darker. They're very nice. Wow, these are so pretty. I like that these are like versatile, where you can like wear them with a dress, you could probably wear them with some jeans, like you can pretty much wear them with anything. I like that about these shoes because they're just so clean, and like the shape of them are so nice and stuff. Like they're just like versatile. So I'm really excited about that. I can't wait to pair these with some of my outfits and stuff and do like a little lookbook with this. My lookbooks aren't as long, but I'm working on that, so stay tuned for, and then I'll do a little clip where I have an outfit on so you can see. These are really nice. I'm surprised that they're like super shiny. Like not super shiny, but like this isn't as shiny as this. Like you can tell this one's shinier than clearly the regular print. So yeah, these are really nice. I like that the front is like so kind of like plain, and then there's that print, the Louis Vuitton print. It is really pretty. I love these. I can't wait to pair them with some jeans, and I don't know what top yet, but I'll insert the whole outfit here soon. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing so far. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Normally when I'm surprised I get really quiet. So like if I really love something, or like if I'm really excited about something, sometimes I'm just super excited, or like if it blows my mind, I'm just like quiet, and I'm just like, is this really, like this is crazy, like in my head I'm going crazy, but like yeah, but I'm really excited about these.
Thank you guys for watching my channel this far. Thanks for doing this unboxing with me. I appreciate it. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. I'm really excited. Stay tuned for more videos. If you're wondering where I got this top from patronalucia.com. I like the sleeve comes down to your elbow and like just to your bend, I guess. I do have this in black and I have it in turquoise. This is like a blue kind of color, and I really love like the puff top. It's just so chic, very ladylike, and girly, you know, super girly, but I do love outfits like this. Super cute. Hopefully you guys can go to my website. I'll link it down below and check it out. I have other blouses on there and other tops and bodysuits and leggings and sets and stuff that I think you guys will really like. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.